What's up, guys? All right, in today's video, we're gonna take you with us to St. Louis. We're gonna go ice skating. It's gonna be an awesome time. So let's go. Blakey, we made it.
Yay!
All right, we're in St. Louis, about to go ice skating. Gotta change the baby's butt. It's cold. The whole crew's here. Oh, shit.
You need gloves?
What are those? Look at you. You're so cute.
You warm? Let's put it over your nose.
You wanna go skating? Huh?
Yo, dog, what's up?
Can I do your legs?
Look.
It's gas.
Say hi.
It's gas.
Hey, can you wave?
Stick your tongue out. Ew.
So we
Did you ask for hockey sticks? Yeah.
at all times, unless actively eating or
Hey, Blake, is that yummy?
Wow, that's a lot of cheese. Okay, take a bite.
Blakey, are you skating? With your feet. Go. I'll be over here, over here. Oh, you're doing it.
Good job! Yay!
Good job. You're doing so good.
Good job!
Good job.
I can't keep up with you.
Yeah. Did you have fun?
Yes, it's a good time.
I had fun. It was a little chilly, especially for the little one. She was shaking. Can you say hi?
You're not alone now. You don't have to go through.
We're just gonna sit here and wait for everybody else to get done, and then probably go eat somewhere cool, since we're down in St. Louis.
We're up.
Oh, we're up in St. Louis. Yeah, we're up in St. Louis, all the way from Jonesboro, a little town compared to this. So yeah, we're gonna get some good ass food while we're here.
I think I'm just gonna not count my calories today.
Yeah, I wouldn't. You gonna eat some more salad?
No.
Why?
No, no, I like it.
Look out here. This is so modern.
Come on. Boys.
Yeah.
Blake.
You probably. All right, hey, she's coming your way.
You just get this.
This place is huge. Bring your hand.
Oh my god.
Can you say finally?
Play
We're done. Finally. Did you have fun?
Uh-huh.